If you've ever owned an RV, you know these dinette seatings are never comfortable. Let's see if we can improve that. Hey everyone, Chris from Maddie's Travel Adventures. We're here in our RV, and this is our dinette area. This is the only place we can eat, watch TV, and hang out. Unfortunately, whether sitting or trying to lounge, it's just not that comfortable. In a perfect world, we'd rip this out and put in recliners, but unfortunately, that's not in the budget. So we're going to replace this with some 4-inch memory foam and see if that makes it better. Let's get to it. Here's what you'll need for this project. You'll need your old cushions. You'll need a 4-inch king memory foam topper, a 10 by 12 foot tarp, a cutting tool, either a heated one or a regular utility knife, and a Sharpie to mark the outline for your new cushions. First, let's lay out the tarp. This will give us a nice, clean, smooth surface from which to work on. Next, let's grab our memory foam mattress and lay it on the tarp. This mattress comes vacuum sealed, so let's cut it free from the package, lay it on the tarp, and let it expand. Place your old cushion on top of the new memory foam. Align the two corners, and then draw an outline of the old cushion on top of the memory foam. This will give you your outline for your new cushion. Next, grab your preferred cutting tool. I really wanted to try a heated tool for this project, but did not want to spend a lot of money for a one-time use. So I went to Michael's and found this one for about 20 bucks. It's a USB plug and heats up fairly quickly. Unfortunately, it did not work very good for this application. So if you want to use a heated tool, I suggest investing in a quality one. Otherwise, just use your utility knife. Here is your new cushion compared to the old one. We have 2 more cushions to do, so we will repeat the same process. All 3 of our new cushions are now cut out. So let's get them back in the covers. They say it takes about 72 hours for the foam to fully expand. So we'll come back in a couple of days and see how it looks. All right, so our cushions are back in, but this project didn't go quite as planned. I got the 4-inch memory foam and cut it out and put it in the covers. After waiting the 3 days it says to let it expand, it did not fill it out as much as I thought it would. So what do? We took 1 inch off the old foam, put it underneath the memory foam, and now we have about 5 inches of padding in here. And it actually feels pretty good. So all in all, there's a long way to get to this, but I think it was worth it. I'll put the link to the 5-inch memory foam, which is what you guys will need. And remember, it's all about the adventure, and we'll see you on the road.